Love to have you join us. And hockey does mean fall. I think that's what we're going to say. It's finally here. We're enjoying these are fall temperatures. This is very nice.
Yeah, honestly, even mild for early falls. We have temperatures in the 70s. We'll get even cooler weather. We got 60s in the forecast later on this week. Thankfully, we're not thinking about any ice for hockey. We don't have any snow in the forecast.
But we're easing into it. Very nice.
Yeah, slowly easing into it, and we're going to really have some great weather here this week. So as we look ahead to right now, look at the beautiful blue skies, crystal clear blue skies across Columbus and across Ohio. Really nice conditions right now as our temperature is at 70 degrees. Winds are northeast at about 5 to 10, so overall pretty nice conditions here for our Monday afternoon, and we will stay in the low 70s for the next few hours, eventually cooling down to the 60s later on this evening if you're heading out for the game. Overall, going to be quiet weather here with clear skies in the forecast, cooling down to the 50s later on tonight. Now, something also happening over the next few weeks, there is a comet that is going to be visible. It's actually you're able to see it with cameras or with binoculars right now in the early morning sky about an hour before sunrise around 6:30. Later on, though, it's going to be visible in the evening, and the hope is that it's bright enough that you can actually see it with your eyes and not have to use binoculars. And there's a good chance that it will happen around October 21st, so the 3rd to 4th week of October. You're going to want to look to the west-northwestern sky, look for the Big Dipper, and just to the left of it, you will be able to see that comet later on this month. And hopefully we'll have some clear skies for that as we go through the last couple of weeks of October, but we do have some clouds and some rain in the forecast looking ahead to the weekend. But for right now, we got clear skies across much of Ohio, really hardly any clouds in the state. More cloud cover to our east where there's a nor'easter affecting the areas around New England. Another cold front that's coming in, and that's going to cool things down as we look ahead to our Wednesday. But for at least the next couple of days, today and tomorrow, not tracking much. We got clear skies in the forecast, just a few passing clouds, and that's really all we'll have to really talk about here for the next couple of days before we get those cooler temperatures here for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But looking ahead long range, this is for the weekend. This is our next weather maker that's going to bring some rain and potential for even some thunderstorms here as we look ahead to Saturday evening. That will continue overnight and into Sunday, and right now, indications are that some areas could see over an inch of rainfall, which is good news because we had some good rain, of course, last week. Another inch of rainfall is going to really help to get us out of the deeper drought conditions that we're facing across much of Ohio. So watching that again for the weekend. We got sunshine for the next several days, and then look at those temperatures. Tracy, cooling down back to the 60s, more typical of fall.